For a second year in a row, a Chinese product convention reaches the shores of Miami. Nitza Soledad Perez has the details.
The city of Miami hosted the second annual China Sourcing Fair. U.S. and international buyers experienced a bigger version of the trade show. This year, they had more than 650 companies, nearly doubling last year's numbers. The event showcased children's products, electronics, fashion accessories, garments, and textiles. But electronics are always a favorite. Many of the attendees are retailers, distributors, or large-scale importers who buy consumer products and then resell them in North or Latin America. But why bringing all these suppliers to such a tourist destination like Miami?
It's the logical next step for global trade. Miami being the business center or the business access point for the Latin American business market. So trade with Latin America, a lot of it is centered out of Miami. It's a place people want to go and want to come and do business in. So it was the logical place to organize this event.
The purpose of this show is to connect North American and Latin American buyers with Chinese suppliers. But the language that we're listening to in this halls is Spanish. And the reason? Latin Americans have been the predominant visitors at this event. China's trade value with Latin America rose 31.5% in 2011. That is $241.5 billion US. Only the U.S. exceeds China in trade with Latin America. This South American buyer is part of the trend.
We're here to try and see the different innovations that the Chinese market manufacturers have to offer us. See if we can source directly from China and not having to link the United States at different ways to cut expenses in the supply chain.
Events like this allow buyers and sellers to cut the middlemen and develop long-lasting business relationships while bridging cultural differences. Nitza Soledad Perez, CCTV, Miami, Florida.